How's it going, guys? How's it going, guys? It's the Peruvian Trucker back with another video. Coming at you from the Tropicana facility in Fort Pierce, Florida. On my last video, I talked about how I was on my last load before heading home. That one was from Texas to Gainesville, Florida. I messaged my dispatch before I delivered that load. I delivered that load at 4 in the morning today. I made it really early. I was at the location at noon yesterday, but they wouldn't take me. So anyway, I messaged my dispatch and I asked if maybe there were any loads available in the area, even if I had to drive a couple hundred miles north to Georgia to grab a load and take it all the way to South Florida. I wouldn't have minded, just to get paid to go home. My dispatch looked, but sadly there were no loads available, which means that I had to deadhead 220 miles to this spot to drop off the trailer, and I have 100 miles to go to get home, which is not ideal. I'm not angry about it, but I'm not happy about it either. It is what it is, really. Sometimes you get good loads, sometimes you get bad loads, and sometimes you just get no loads, I guess. But yeah, it would have been ideal for there to be something coming down. I know there is loads going to Deerfield Beach for Publix, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unhook the trailer real quick, and we'll be on our way. Let's get to it. So this is a quick insight on YouTuber life. I want to record myself detaching the trailer for entertainment, but I don't have a camera stand. So, you know, being inventive, we're going to use our bolt cutters as a stand so you guys can get a shot of me unhooking the trailer. And there you have it. Now I get to drive another 100 miles home. I'll catch you later. Well guys, so I made it home. I'm trying this out. We'll see if I can leave the truck here. There's no signs that say that I can't park. And you know, I'm not really bothering anyone, and I chose this spot specifically because I really doubt I'll get towed. It's really hard for them to tow me, but I mean, if they want to tow me, they'll find a way, so we'll see. I might take it somewhere else, but I need to unload some stuff from the truck, so we'll leave it here for at least until tomorrow. So I'm here showing the truck to my parents, and this random dude showed up, and he's like, yo, you can't park here. And I asked him, where does it say that I can't park here? He's like, this is private property. I can have you towed if I want to. So I'm like, okay, cool, bro. Don't worry. I'm just asking. You don't have to be rude. And he got pissed because I said that. So he left already, but I have to move. Tápense la cara.
No, nos ponen muñequito pues en el video.
Yeah. No, ¿sabes lo difícil que es editar esa vaina? So, both my parents are raving about how spacious and comfortable the bed is. This is interesting. So, I finally made it in the house. And that means that I gotta do chores. And taking out the trash. But I don't mind because the trash can is right next to my baby. So we're gonna check her out. I just love this car. Let's see. Here we go. How's it going, guys? It is Saturday morning, about 11 a.m. I'm at the 595 truck stop, paying for parking because I got towed last night. So it's my brother. He's giving me a ride back, but we'll talk about it in a second. Say hi to the haters, bro.
This is my man if you couldn't tell.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday. I'm trying to block the sun here. And we are out here at the storage. Not really here to grab the stuff that I need for the truck. I just came to grab the bike and the roof rack and get it all set up. So we're gonna go mountain biking this morning, and I'll grab the stuff that I need when I come back to put everything back. So just a quick tour since we're here. So as you know, guys, my baby here, my daily driver, just got the roof rack set up so we can go biking. Still have the 30 here without an engine, working as a trash can for now. This is my long-term project. So dusty right now. And in here somewhere is my PS4 that I gotta take for the truck. I gotta check my drawers to see if there's anything else that I want to take when it comes to tools. I have a toolkit inside the wagon that's my roadside assistance kit, so it should have everything that I need, but we'll see. And it's pretty much a dump at this point. But yeah, so far home time is going fine, except for the fact that I got towed, which it was stupid on my part. I should have just paid for parking, but I wanted to, try to save some money. Yeah, we all know how that goes. But yeah, other than that, I had some good time with the family at the beach yesterday, and now we're gonna go biking. And today is the day that I'm gonna try to get a lot of stuff done when it comes to prepping for winter and going back on the truck. I gotta set aside my winter clothes. I gotta go and buy some stuff, and also go through my list to make sure I don't forget anything that I want to take with me now that I'm gonna be gone for a while. The plan is to, realistically, I'm gonna have to come back for either Thanksgiving or Christmas, but if I could stay out until January, I want to grab everything that I will need. So if I come back, it's not because I forgot something, it's just because I want to be with family. Okay, so the car's finally warmed up so we can push her a little bit. Been waiting for this for a while. Okay, so she's super slow, but coming out of the truck, she feels like a rocket as always.
¿Ah? Vamos.
En la que vamos a ir ahorita tiene varias banks. Entonces cuando llegas a un bank, scream. Woo! How was that? And well guys, it is Wednesday morning and my car has decided to leave me a parting gift, if you want to call it that. My door won't close. I went to literally grab something out of the car the last time I was going to use it and it won't close anymore. Let me show you. So basically what's happening is that this latch won't latch anymore. So we're gonna use a little trucker's trick.
Pues,
Salud, por el día del padre, fin.
muchas gracias por el regalo.
Oye, ¿sabes qué?
No.
No, o sea, el Freight tiene más. O sea, este pasa suavecito, ¿me entiendes? Pero como que le falta sabor también.
Sí.
¿No? Comparado con.
I agree.
¿Cómo me parece?
I agree.